it's Lila here from Sift to Sister, and today we're going to be making a super easy and yummy snack. My guest here today is my sister, Elsie, and the snack we're making today is perfect popcorn. So let's get started. The ingredients you will need to make this perfect popcorn is 1/3 of a cup of popcorn kernels, 3 tablespoons of any oil you like, but today we're using coconut oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of butter. Now, what flavour would you like this popcorn to be? Icing sugar. We're using 2/3 of a cup of icing sugar, but you can choose any other flavour. Now let's get baking! The first step to make this popcorn is heat the 3 tablespoons of any oil that you're using in a large pan. So let's go over to the stove. We are now at the stove, so let's put the oil in the pan. Wait, where's that scraper thing? Oh, here it is, here. Okay, now let's actually put the oil in the pan. Now let's turn the heat on. Now that the oil has finished melting, you will need to get 3 or 4 popcorn kernels and place it in the pan. Now put on the lid and wait for them to pop. The reason you need to put the 3 and 4 kernels in the hot oil before you put all the rest in is because if they all pop, that means that the oil is in the right temperature. Now let's check if our popcorn kernels have popped. Yes, they have. Now we're going to add the rest of the 1/3 of a cup of popcorn kernels in a thin layer. Next, we're going to put the lid back on and take it off the heat and count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then return the pan back to the heat and you should start hearing popping soon. You can probably hear our popcorn is still popping, but once your popcorn slows down to 1 per second or a bit less than that, you should take it off the heat and immediately pour it into a wide bowl. We're going to pour it into the bowl now. Now melt your butter. Now that we have our melted butter, we're going to pour it all over the popcorn. And add your flavouring. And move your bowl around like this or stir with a spoon so that the flavouring gets on every single popcorn kernel. Now we have finished stirring in our flavouring, so let's try it. Very good. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and how to make perfect popcorn. I hope you've had heaps of fun and enjoyed experimenting with all the different flavours you can make. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to click the notifications button so that you can see whenever I post another video. Enjoy!